Alright, this is going to be a short clip because I'm literally plugged in to the camera. The battery has 4%. I just want to cut away a little tiny section of rust so that I can see what's behind it. My wife's in the shower right now, so I got about 4 minutes, 5 minutes before she's done, and it's time to go in the house because it's I don't know, 12:48. So we're gonna do this cut real quick and then end this clip fast. So, come on. It's bad, but I should be able to just trim this here, replace that lip down in theirs. Like, not bad at all. Obviously there's a ton more to still be like cut away. I just wanted to do a quick little quick glance to see what we got, and so far it's nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be. So nice. Hopefully we'll be able to get it done in just over the weekend then. Yesterday's footage got corrupted, and today my GoPro decided to die. So I have zero footage of me doing all the quarter panel replacement on this car. So I guess I'll just do a quick little video of it now, or what I've done. So it's what I got so far. Obviously I'm holding it, so I guess I'm not really going to film anything else on this side. I'm just going to do this, and then I'll film on the other side when I do that. And hopefully my GoPro doesn't fuck up again, but we're making progress. It's been about a week. I stopped working on the car for a week, obviously, because I was being stupid, and I will put a picture in. I tried to get up while I was still holding on to the grinder that was spinning. This disc went into my leg, and it kind of messed me up to where I couldn't move for, well, I could move fine and it didn't hurt, but my leg got so stiff that I couldn't really bend it. So obviously the car got put on hold. This is what I got done on this side. So it's pretty much done. It's wavy here. I put too much heat in it and kind of fucked that all up. So I'm debating now on whether or not I should go wide body for Cosmetics. It'll help me fix this as well. But the biggest factor is that it'll let me run a 275 tire instead of a 245. I still have some stuff to finish up, this is what I was doing whenever I hit myself with the grinder. So this side's done. Door closes good. It all lined up. So if you get all the way back here, it's not super ugly or crazy. I think it turned out all right for the amount of rust that it had. I'm gonna try and time lapse some of this, but on the other side, but I'm not gonna include it all because this was like 4 full days worth of work. So nobody wants to sit through 40 minutes worth of time lapse. So I don't know how much is gonna be included. I might just do like little sections. I guess let me know if you want to see more of the time lapse, less of the time lapse, whatever. But we'll see what happens. This is what I got so far. I got the skin separated from the donor, the reinforcement stuff. Waiting to separate all that so that till after I knew what all I needed. You see my scribe line of what all is getting replaced. Rust stops pretty much here, but I'm gonna go all the way back here, which means I'll get rid of that. It's bad, but camera's crooked, sorry. It's bad, but it's nowhere near as bad as the other side was. So I'll grind all that down and replace that section right there, but for the most part it's just this and obviously that. I got frustrated and shut the GoPro off, so you guys missed a whole lot. I went ahead and just cut all the rust out and did everything off camera just because I was trying to figure it out, and I didn't want the time lapse to be 4 hours long. So this is where I'm at. I will try and time lapse more of it, like tomorrow welding, but it's 12:30 at night. So it was rusty up there. It's obviously all ground down, and then I cut it out, and all the new stuff. It's all just tacked in place, but that'll make it so that I can put the new quarter on properly-ish. And I went ahead and sprayed rust preventative down in there, so like in the hole it's all coated, so it shouldn't be an issue later. And I'll go ahead and I'll spray all this stuff too before I put the quarter back on it. I still haven't decided whether or not. I seen a guy who did a wide body off of a BRZ, and damn it, it's something I'm considering, mainly because on this side over here, it's not terrible, but there is some warping. And obviously there's filler and stuff, so if I end up doing wide body, it would make that a whole lot easier, and I wouldn't have to worry about rolling this now, like after it being replaced. But that's a future me problem. Current me is just getting the rust out of it. So I guess I'll back up tomorrow, and I'll try and remember to time lapse everything so that you guys can actually see it starting to go back together instead of me skipping the whole project. New day. I don't know how much of the last clip that I did recorded because my camera keeps dying and I'm busy and I don't notice. So I got the quarters on. I guess I'm gonna end the video here.